This is my eggplant. They give me 20 pieces of eggplant. This is my pot eggplant. They're growing really good. Thank God for it. So beautiful, healthy. 20 of them. See? Super dang healthy.